Get paid just by watching videos on your phone. Sounds easy, right? That's exactly what FunFlick promises. But can you actually earn money, or is it just another fake reward app? So FunFlick is a video reward app where you can watch short clips and earn points that supposedly convert into real cash via PayPal. The app shows your balance increasing quickly to make it feel like you're earning money fast. At first, it seems convincing. Earnings increase quickly when you start. Simple system, just watch videos and advertises easy cash withdrawals. This is a common setup used by many get paid to watch apps. But here's the problem, many users report withdrawals never worked or stay locked. The balance is often fake and designed to keep you watching ads, and there's no verified proof of real payouts. Reddit users want easy money scams, withdrawals blocked. This follows a known pattern where apps earn money from ads, not you. Even legit platforms only pay a few cents per video, not real income. So apps promising fast or high earnings are usually unrealistic. So can FunFlick really make you money? No, most evidence show it doesn't pay. It is likely a time-wasting reward app with misleading claims. The bottom line, FunFlick is not a reliable way to earn money and likely not worth your time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.